Ever heard of engines that can withstand overheating? It's true. Let me explain. Engines like the Ford 300 inline-six, Chrysler's 4.0-liter straight-six, the Cummins 12-valve, and even big blocks like the Chevy 454 or 460 could shrug off an overheating scare and keep running. That's because of their all-iron construction, an iron block paired with an iron head. But not all engines are that tough. If an engine has an iron block and aluminum heads like Chrysler's 4.7, it's a different story. Aluminum expands faster than iron, which can lead to blown head gaskets or even drop valve seats straight into the combustion chamber, and that never ends well. So yeah, some engines can take the heat, and others won't forgive you even once.